Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest design tips and inspiration. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to create the luxury bedroom retreat of your dreams. We all want a bedroom that feels like an escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. A sanctuary where we can unwind, relax, and truly recharge. Well, we've got you covered. From selecting the right furniture to choosing the perfect color scheme, we're going to guide you step by step. Whether you're a fan of modern minimalism or prefer classic elegance, these expert tips will help you create a stylish bedroom that's tailored to your needs. Let's start with the basics. When it comes to luxury bedroom design, it's important to remember one thing. Luxury isn't just about the price tag. It's about creating a space that feels comfortable, cohesive, and, most importantly, personal. A luxurious bedroom should feel like a retreat, a peaceful space where you can escape from the stresses of everyday life. So before you dive into choosing your furniture and decor, take a moment to think about the mood you want to create. Is it calming and serene, or bold and sophisticated? Knowing this will guide your design decisions throughout the process. Let's talk color. The color palette of your bedroom is one of the most important factors in setting the mood. Calming hues like soft grays, pale blues, and muted greens are perfect for creating a tranquil atmosphere. But if you prefer a bit more drama, darker tones like navy, charcoal, or deep emerald can bring a sense of luxury and sophistication. When choosing your color scheme, aim for a balance. You don't want your bedroom to feel too busy or overwhelming. A great trick is to stick to 2 or 3 main colors and then add accent tones through cushions, throws, or artwork. Next up, furniture. In a luxury bedroom, every piece should serve a purpose and contribute to the overall aesthetic. Start with the basics: a comfortable bed, stylish nightstands, and ample storage. But don't forget about the finer details. Your bed should be the focal point of the room. It's where you'll spend most of your time, so it's worth investing in a high-quality mattress to ensure that comfort is at the forefront of your design. Choosing the right bed frame is equally important. For a modern look, a sleek platform bed with clean lines will work beautifully. On the other hand, if you love the look of classic elegance, consider a statement upholstered headboard in luxurious fabric like velvet or leather. This can really elevate the feel of the room and set the tone for the rest of your design. Then there are the nightstands. These often get overlooked, but they can make a huge difference in the overall aesthetic of your bedroom. Mixing materials can bring depth to your design and make it feel more personalized. But, just as with the bed, it's important that the pieces you choose align with the overall theme of your bedroom. Storage is another essential element in any bedroom. We've all heard the phrase, cluttered space, cluttered mind, and it couldn't be truer for your bedroom. A beautifully crafted dresser or a spacious wardrobe can help keep everything neat and organized, which will ultimately create a calm, stress-free environment. If you have the space, a chic armchair or a statement bench at the foot of the bed can serve as a wonderful finishing touch, adding comfort and a sense of grandeur. Lighting is another essential element in creating the perfect luxury bedroom. You can have the most stunning furniture and decor, but if your lighting is off, it can throw off the entire mood of the room. Lighting is not only functional, but can also play a huge role in setting the ambiance. For a bedroom, you want to create a warm, inviting glow that's soft and relaxing. Layering your lighting is key. Start with ambient lighting, which is the overall light in the room. This can come from recessed ceiling lights, pendant lights, or even a stunning chandelier. The goal is to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Then, add task lighting. Something practical like bedside lamps or wall sconces, perfect for reading or unwinding in bed. Finally, consider accent lighting to enhance the mood. LED strip lights, or even a statement chandelier, can add that extra touch of glamour that makes your bedroom feel luxurious. If you want to get really specific, dimmer switches are your best friend. They allow you to adjust the lighting to suit your mood. A dimmer switch is perfect for those evenings when you just want to create a soft, intimate vibe. It can really help create a luxurious atmosphere especially if you're winding down with a book or relaxing before bed. Now, let's talk about the fabrics and textures in your bedroom. These are the elements that can take your design from simply stylish to truly luxurious. When it comes to a bedroom, the feeling of the space is just as important as the look, and the textiles you choose can make all the difference. Start with your bedding. High thread count sheets in natural fibers like cotton or linen will feel amazing against your skin and elevate the overall comfort level of your bed. The duvet or comforter should feel soft but substantial, giving you that snuggly, luxurious feeling when you climb into bed. But don't stop there. Layering your bedding with throws or blankets not only adds warmth, but brings a touch of texture that creates visual interest. Speaking of texture, pillows are a great way to add depth to your design. Consider mixing and matching pillows in different shapes and sizes, all in luxurious fabrics like velvet, silk, or linen. This not only adds comfort, but also enhances the overall look of your bed. And don't forget your curtains. Opt for soft, flowing fabrics like cotton, silk, or linen. They'll add elegance to your room and create a sense of movement and fluidity in the space. A luxury bedroom isn't just about the aesthetics or the furniture, it's also about personalization. Your bedroom should feel like a reflection of you, and this is where you can get creative. Infuse the room with your own personality by incorporating meaningful elements that speak to you. Start with artwork. A large statement piece above the bed can serve as the focal point of the room. Whether it's an abstract painting or a black and white photograph, it should resonate with you and set the tone for the space. Smaller pieces of art, or even framed photographs, can add warmth and charm. If you love the look of mirrors, adding a beautiful mirror to the room can not only make the space feel bigger, but also reflect light and add a touch of glamour. Personalization doesn't have to stop with art. Adding a stylish vase, a collection of your favorite books, or a beautiful scented candle can all contribute to the overall mood of the room, creating a space that's distinctly yours. These little touches help make the room feel lived in and special. Let's not forget about scent. It may seem like a small detail, but scent has a huge impact on how we feel. It can calm the mind, improve sleep quality, and even enhance the overall luxury of a room. In your bedroom, aim for soft, calming scents that invite relaxation. Candles, essential oil diffusers, or even fresh flowers can all add a lovely scent to your bedroom. Scents like lavender, jasmine, and eucalyptus are especially relaxing and perfect for creating that peaceful, sleep-inducing atmosphere. Now, let's take a step into the future, or at least into the world of smart home technology. A truly luxurious bedroom isn't just about physical design, it's also about convenience and comfort. Smart technology can make your bedroom feel more functional, more comfortable, and of course, more luxurious. Imagine controlling the lighting, temperature, and even your music with just the touch of a button or the sound of your voice. Smart lighting can create the perfect ambience for any moment. Whether you want bright lighting in the morning or soft, romantic lighting in the evening, smart thermostats can ensure that your room is always at the perfect temperature. And with a voice-activated assistant like Alexa or Google Assistant, you can even play your favorite music or podcasts while you relax. Finally, if you have the space, consider making your luxury bedroom a multifunctional retreat. A truly luxurious space should be more than just a place to sleep. It should also serve as an area for relaxation, entertainment, and even work. With the right design, you can turn your bedroom into a hub of comfort and productivity without sacrificing style. Incorporating a comfortable seating area or even a small desk can transform your room into a place where you can unwind with a book or work on creative projects. If you like to watch movies or listen to music, a stylish media center or entertainment nook can add a touch of luxury without compromising on your bedroom's relaxing vibe. So there you have it. We've covered all the essentials for creating the luxury bedroom you've always dreamed of. From choosing a calming color palette to investing in high-quality furniture, layering your lighting, and personalizing your space with meaningful decor, these elements will help you transform your bedroom into a sanctuary. We hope this video has inspired you to get started on your own luxury bedroom makeover. If you have any questions or want to share your design ideas, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more interior design tips and inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see how you transform your bedroom into the ultimate stylish retreat.